Dear students of class 8, I am going to start the science chapter 15, that is the some natural phenomena. In this chapter you will read about some natural causes of destruction in our life or on the earth. Now actually some natural phenomena you might have seen that include lightning, thunder, earthquake, flood, drought, etc. Those causes lot of damage to the earth or nature. So first I will discuss about the lightning. Generally in rainy season when dark clouds are there and you might have heard a huge noise and you have seen a spark of light coming from the sky and that time that is only known as the lightning. So lightning, how it occurs, earlier it was known by the people when they were not so much advanced. They were thinking it is a God gift and they are just going to upgrade us. But now one scientist, his name was the Benjamin Franklin. He flown a kite made of silk in the sky, tightened with the thread, silk thread, and on bottom side he put a key bunch. He has flown that kite in the sky during the rainy season when lot of clouds were there. So that time he felt a spark of light and shock observed by him on his hand on key bunch. Then he came to know there is some electrical charges process which is taking place in the sky, and after research in other scientists they have discovered that the lightning is just causes due to charges which is floating in the sky. These are charges known as the electrical charges. Now how it happen? Generally charges are two types. One is the positive, other is negative. So when they will flow in the clouds and just if excess charges increase, their transfer of charges takes place with higher speed and breaking the layer of air in between. So sometime it is causes the temperature of more than 3000 degrees Celsius, and transfers of charges produce a lot of spark of light followed by a thunder noise which come on the earth. You might have heard lightning first on the earth followed by thunder because it is the speed of light. You know the light has got maximum speed, so it reach on the earth earlier followed by a huge noise of sound also. Now the charges you can detect by making a simple electroscope. It has got two gold leaf inside, and if a body is charged by rubbing and all, so you can see the charges through these small thin blades. When charges will be there, they will go away, and will put your hand on top, they will go in earthing and charge. This leaves of gold leaf will come back to the same position. Now the things which I told you, how the thunder strike, this one lightning takes place in the sky. So you can see here already charges shown in the huge clouds or dark clouds. Some charges are positive, some are negative. Now to prevent this lightning, sometime it is cause lot of damage to us. So for preventing this lightning, many houses or tall building installed with lightning conductor. And after that, they will become safe during the thunderstorm. So next topic of this lesson I will tell you later on. This is enough for today. Thank you.